3 lighting modes. The white, the bule or the white blue light brings out the color of everything in tank, creates a wonderful aquascape. It is the best choice for main light, accent light, or replacement aquarium hood light. Good for plantfish. Ultra bright 7750K white LEDs and rich 460 nanometers blue light are sufficient to grow your plant thriving. It also lights your fish in a way that really changes their color to stand out. Built-in timer. The fish tank light has built-in timer and 3 timing durations. It will come on and go off at the same time every day and light up for 6 hours, 10 hours or 12 hours. No need to buy extra timer. Built-in dimmer. There are 18 super bright LEDs in the 7.5-inch fish tank light. If you have over bright issues, you can adjust the brightness with the built-in dimmer for each white light and blue light. Waterproof and easy to mount. It is submersible and with movable suction cups. Mount the light on tank bottom or at the top. Attach it into the tank any angle or even outside the tank. Top reviews from the United States. Good for low light plants and durable. Just the perfect amount of light for my 2.5-gallon shrimp tank. It's powerful enough for low-maintenance plants like anubias, Java moss, and duckweed, all of which are growing like crazy since I installed this. But I have to admit, I experienced an algae outbreak after I installed this, but that was probably my fault. My tank was only 2 months old when I added this, so the water was probably perfect for algae growth, and adding the bright light just lit fuse for the fuzzy green bomb to explode. It's under control now, but it was iffy until late June. Great light overall. The suction cups did start slipping after a few months, but a good glass cleaning fixed that. The light also survived several dunks into the water and is still going just as good as the day it came out of the box in March.